Ew. Look at that.
Look at that.
So ate an apple from a bird.
A bird ate it and left it there.
What the hell would he do that?
What a waste. There's still another half of it there. Look at this whole one. They ate this whole thing.
I think I'm going to save it for later.
Oh, look, it's brown. It's brown.
It's going moldy.
Ew.
Oh no.
Bad.
Oh.
Ew, I touched it.
It's gone.
Now it's applesauce.
The bacteria is gone. Yum.
Applesauce.
Look, that's how you make applesauce.
They're all over.
You just shake the tray, apples fall down, you make applesauce.
Look, there's more here. These birds like apples.
Well, I didn't know birds like apples.
Oh, I love them. Look at this.
That's gross.
That's a whole half an apple there. Look at that apple.
I'm gonna like pee my pants soon.
Shit.
It's gone. Make an applesauce.
Applesauce. Oh, I felt sick to step on. Oh.
Let's get a shot of you stepping on that.
Yeah. Oh, poop.
Ew.
Look, J for Jake.
My dog's name is Jake, and he pooped out a J. Saw his name. Jayzilla.
How do I wash my glasses?
Oh, how rude.
Didn't even say goodbye.
He was leaving.
You need to clean your glasses.
We don't have. Oh, I do wear glasses.
Wait.
Oh, so much clearer.
It's good.
Are you sure?
Positive.
So let's tell them what we're doing next week.
Next week we are going to a concert.
And we are dancing like a deer and a lion. A lion hunting a deer.
I'm the lion.
I'm the deer.
We'll see. Yes. I stepped on something gross. My foot slipped. Well, there's nothing there.
More videos of us dancing like that at the next weekend.
Yeah.
When we get back. Lots of editing that weekend.
No. Who we gonna go see?
We came as Romans, and Fear and Faith, and Upon a Budding Body.